back to our channel, and please subscribe our channel and please click on the notification bells.
Alright.
And then I will send you all my notifications to you. And then when you're so happy, you must like my videos. And then when you want to watch more videos of me, then just spell my name, Natillis. Smartwatch, thanks to my mom that got it for me. And so this smartwatch that you can measure how many steps you take, how many hours you sleep, and it can also monitor your heart. And if you work out, there's also a workout thingy over here. So let's unbox this. Okay, so first, this is from Smiggle if you want to buy it. And second of all, I'm not patient, so let's just unbox this. Woo! So this is the smartwatch. You see it? It's a snip. I forgot the character's name. Don't care, please. And this is the charger. I've never seen a charger that looks like this. So yeah, I've never ever seen a charger that looks like this. So I'm gonna figure out how to do this charger. So bye.